2022
Lexus RX.
With less than 59,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat. Take home the car of your dreams today.